So our good friends over at Heritage Farm and Ranch and Willow Beverage Company are like, hey, you need to come hang out at the Duncan Farmers Market. It's their last farmers market. Oh, and by the way, you need to check out this program called Thinkability. We'll get to that. But they had tons of vendors. Okie Reynolds was out there peddling bobcats. They were roasting freaking hatch green chilies, had a couple of food trucks going on, some live music. But something I noticed that I don't know I've ever seen at a farmer's market that takes SNAP benefits. That's right. Our friend over at Heritage Farm and Ranch, Robert, had a pretty good deal going. You buy a pound of hamburger meat, for instance, he'll give you a pound for free if you use your SNAP benefit card. Not a bad deal. But you go inside here, it's all made in Oklahoma stuff. Jams, jellies, beard oil, beard balm, like body butter. I don't know. I'm sure there's like body butter there. Pickles. But, of course, our friends Heritage Farm and Ranch were peddling their wares as well. Even Aubrey was slinging teas and whatnot. But the biggest part for me was the Thinkability Community Garden. Now, let me tell you about this place. It's a nonprofit organization that's main focus is to employ developmentally and intellectually disabled people in southwestern Oklahoma and beyond. This isn't the only place that they do the thinkability stuff, but they do have a community garden here, and they teach them how to garden, how to plant, how to compost, but they can't do it without you. Now, you can donate your time, you can donate your money directly into the program. They don't just do a community garden though. They help people get jobs at places like Wendy's, McDonald's. They have their own print shop, for crying out loud. A litter crew, pickup crew that picks up litter on roadways. It's so much more than what you might think. And I can't think of a better program. Honestly, if you want to get involved, it's easy. Go to thinkabilitygarden.com. And I have a feeling you're going to be hearing a lot more about the Thinkability programs in the near and distant future. It's the OnlyinOKShow podcast, new shows all the time, new content every time you turn around. Peace.